Hi, my name is Simon. I'm CEO and founder of Psychological AI. Today I'm going to show you how you can use our technology to write more appealing job ads to get more talents, as well as write gender neutral to get more female applicants. Let's have a look how it works. So after logging into our service, you have the options now here that you see. You can optimize job ads with a generated global profile, or you can tailor and optimize your job ads with individual searches. So the idea here is that you can have a look on the tailored one. We did a video as well. So here we can create personas on a very specific and individual level. And here we train the AI to understand specific job titles, specific people from LinkedIn. We analyze and then you get the results directly. So let's have a look on the how you can optimize the job ads with the global profiles. We just click on that, and then you see this this UI here with these 3 steps in it. So the first step is we select the profile. The second step is we generate the text. And the third step is to finalize the text. And that's what we basically do. So let's imagine we are looking for a sales manager. So we just type in sales, so the start of the position, and then we see that the AI suggests here sales manager or sales director, and now we click on the sales manager. And what you see then is the persona of the sales manager based on a lot of LinkedIn profiles. So the AI understood that sales managers overall like a tonality that addresses responsibilities, that addresses competition and decisiveness. And that's basically what we should or shall do. And then how we start now is you have 2 options. Either you will like to generate a text, or this is the other option. You can say, okay, I already have a job offer and I just like to optimize my existing job offer. If you are not interested in how to generate a text, you can go directly to the end of the video. There I show you how you can optimize an existing job offer with one click. But now let's stay at the step 2 and start with giving information here for each thing. So we start with the name. Then we say, okay, I have some company information. I just copy and paste in the typical standard from another job ad, for example. Then we could write something about the department, but you do not need to do it. So if you do not want it, you can just add a minus or so into that we understand, okay, you do not like it. Then we list the responsibilities of the position. Then we have the experiences, so the requirements in the end, and probably you have something that you some benefits that you have that you can address or that you can write about. And then what we do is we have now this information, and now we can say, okay, I like to create an English job ad in a more or less polite speech. Or not polite speech, so in the subnominal form of you, and then I can generate the text. And what it does now is it writes a job ad for me. So it starts with the title, then a short explanation of the company. It writes a short explanation of the department. Then it starts to write something about the jobs to be done, about the requirements, and then about the benefits that you have. And with that information now, the AI trains and tries to optimize the written text to make it more appealing for this specific type of personality. So you see now that we are at 98 right now. So the next step is that we do another round to get the 100. And we also do then a formatting optimization. So now you see it starts auto formatting it so that you have a ready to use job ad then in the end. So let's wait for the auto format, and then we can click on copy to the text field. So here is now the job ad. It's already, as I said, already formatted. so you can directly use it. And because you maybe like to change some small things and small details, we can say, okay, let's go to the finalize text method. So we click on finalize text. We say this is a sales manager job, and today is it's August. And then we have it here, and now you can work on it and change things that you like to change, or you leave it. You can optimize it. That's how it works. But we are sure that it's now a super good text, and now you can use this job ad. Okay, when you're done with everything, you can just save and exit, and then here you have the option then to get similar job titles or to directly search for talents in a specific region that you like to address with our technology for active sourcing. That's basically what we do. And what your last step is, you just copy and paste in the text to your ATS system, and that's basically it. So now in the next step, I'm going to show you how you can use the HR Booster to write or rewrite existing job ads. So you click still on the sales manager, and instead of giving information to the system here right now, you start clicking on optimize existing text. There we ask you, give it a name, the project, so that you can refer to it later. So we have some ID. And now what we can do is we can just copy and paste in the job ad that we have. So this is the text, for example, that we can use. Just picked one from Stepstone, so I do not know this company. Now you have two options. You can either click on Analyze Text and get suggestions, which is a more manual process. So what we do right now is in the backend, we analyze the job ad, try to figure out how good it fits already the tonality of the specific target group of sales managers. And we create paraphrases and ideas how to rewrite things to make it more appealing to the specific target group. So what you see here is the result of your actual job ad. So it's 24% match. The ideal job ad would have 100%, and you see then on the different characteristics where your job ad is right now compared to the target value, so to the target audience that you like to address. And you see, for example, that you have too much achievement speech, you have too much risk orientation and too much influence in the language. You have a masculine tonality, and then you can go and click through the ideas here. So you see on the right side these suggestions. So we know now, okay, reporting to the managing director, blah, 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 could be changed to in this role, the sales manager will report as a you will, blah, 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 do this. And then it would increase the scoring by 16%. So this is what you can do. So you can go through it manually. The other option that we offer is the so-called auto-optimize. And what we do here is we automatically rewrite the full job ad. So you click on it, and now it starts analyzing the job ad. It starts getting some suggestions and paraphrases how to optimize it. So now we will see, I think, very soon a first result. So something like probably 50-ish or so, 50 pi match. Then it increases step by step to 100. So we just wait for the result that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so now we see that the result, and we have a good job ad. So it's slightly feminine. It has the tonality. It has rewritten it. It has optimized it, and that's basically the end. So you still can save it in text and edit it, and then you can just copy and paste it also. So that's are the two options. So again, HR Booster, you can optimize your job ads. First, you have to select the profile, sales manager, for example. Then you type in the information that you like to give in title, blah, blah, blah. Generate a text, optimize it, and then the alternative is you go directly to optimize existing test, and then you can auto-optimize your job ad, rewrite it to make it more appealing for the specific target group. Cool. Okay. Okay, now you have seen how we can optimize your job ads with our technology, either with global profiles or with individual ones. And if you like to understand how you can create individual personas, just have a look on our videos, how to create personas, candidate personas with our technology here in the YouTube playlist.